What's up, YouTube? Jay here.
Carlos.
DJ.
Infamous Frenchies. Your favorite YouTube breeders. Today on the channel, we'll be feeding the puppies. They're going on 5 weeks.
Yep, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, 5 weeks. So, they're getting big.
Make this food.
I Spice, Selena. Selena, I Spice. Let's see. You got that June in the mix. That June and Tiger. Puppies.
Tiger's getting to be my favorite.
Tiger's face is very pretty, but the Merle over here is
Yeah.
nice. But his face is chunky. There you go. There's the two. This is one of my favorite ones right here. Drake and Megan. Look at Megan. Oh, sleepy, sleepy. And the reason why we use pee pads, it also potty trains them as well. See how they go to the pee as soon as they come out here? Who we got here? Oh, this one right here. These two are my top. Look at this. Cardi B, Merle, full Merle, Gunna. Which is your favorite?
I like Gunna Jr.
Gunna Jr.? I love them all. I love my children. How are we doing today? Ready with food?
No.
These puppies is starving. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
Give you some water.
Put in the middle. Can we put in the middle, guys, please? Please? Can I put, thank you. And the food is out there. Oh, look at guys. While you guys are paying attention to me, delicious food's over here. Delicious food over here, Tiger. Don't miss out. Larry June. Put them right here. Right here, baby. And some water. We'll put the water back here for now. Let it go. This boy is gonna be crazy.
He's also big.
Yeah, chunky. Tiger?
Yeah.
Ooh, they're messing it up, bro.
Yeah, good.
They love this.
Okay, guys. These puppies are week 5.
Week 5.
They are available
When will they be available?
July 20th, 1st? July 21st?
July 21st on Friday.
Yep.
So,
Guys, don't sleep on these
don't
puppies.
sleep on these puppies. Drop your deposit, only 500 to hold your spot.
I love this food, dude.
Yeah, I know.
Whoever making it, they just love it.
These puppies do come AKC registered. They come with the full set of shots. And these females that you get locked in can be ran to Buddha if you would like it. The price is not going to change when I give you a price. If you guys want to use Buddha, we'll use Buddha. Any of these girls, like Megan?
Oh, nice.
Or Buddha? Where's Megan at? Look at Megan right here. Sorry, Megan. This girl right here
Megan looks just like his mom.
with Buddha. Got her? Look at that.
Blue and tan.
Blue and tan, yeah.
Oh, all Cardi. All blue.
That's Cardi girl.
With a little bit of
All
brown.
blue, a little bit of Merle underneath her arms. This girl's gonna be crazy. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, a little bit.
So let me get back to eating.
Or
This
if you
boy.
want to make what? I mean, like 60,000 a year off just stud credits. This boy is the one. Fluffy carrier looks
Yeah.
like so. Full Merle shirt. Ooh, full suited Merle. Get in there, Papa. Get that stomach up.
Ice Spice still good.
They're all good. Ice Spice is good. Selena's good. I like Tiger's face.
Yeah.
Tiger's face is gonna be stocky. Drake's so small.
Yes.
If you want to
It's so light.
Yeah, so like, Buddha, we're trying to make a video here, please. Thank you.
And Larry June's Moral Chin.
Oh, Larry, you like Larry June, huh? That's your favorite?
She's right there next to Megan.
Look at this boy. Oh, look at this boy. Chunky boy.
Look at that. Moral chin.
Look at this. I think he's hungry. Go back to eating, bro. Crying. I guess again, these puppies are available. We have 4 girls, 4 boys. To reserve $500. If you want to find us, where could they find us at?
Infamous.fb.
Is our Instagram. You can hit my cell phone up, 702-884.
9600.
I'm also putting it right here in the bottom of the screen for you guys to watch. Hit us up. These puppies are going to go fast. So again, they are 5 weeks old and they'll be ready
July 21st.
on a Friday.
Hey, don't bite me. Ow. They already have their teeth too.
I told you Megan was going to poop. I was sleeping on the job. What's that? This is Drake. He's still going at it.
Jake is still going at it.
Yeah, Drake is on it. Hey, Drake, can I offer you a cup of water, bro? Water? No? Hey, Gunna's back at it too. Hey, I'm not gonna about to be out beaten by you, my dude, again.
Bro, why are you trying to eat the camera?
Who's that, Selena?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Selena's a feisty one.
Yeah. Little Latin in her, huh?
Big old mouse.
You might have to swimmer this dude right here with this chunkiness. I can see his legs opening wide. You see that?
He can't hold himself.
That's what I'm saying. You might have to do this. I think we might have to, little swimmers, tape it up for him. Just right a little bit. Oh, Ice Spice is going out of line. Out of line with that one, Ice Spice. Hey, they're pooping like big old dogs now. Alright.
They fight like big dogs.
There's a one over here.
We're gonna start cleaning.
Yeah, because they're done eating and they're pooping. And they're pooping everywhere again. Some of them are done pooping.
Alright, we're gonna start cleaning them, guys. We'll be back.
Oh, my tiger's Oh no! I got poop in my hand, Lalo! I got poop in my hand!
Drake, he's like, I need to finish this.
Hey! Oh my god, I got this one.
Megan the Stallion.
Megan, no.
That's the one with the merle under?
No, this is Megan. This is blue and tan. Cardi B is the one with the blue under. That's not her. Yeah, the Merle. This little chunky though. Beautiful. This guy's gonna be a game changer for someone's camp. Yeah, he's getting chunky too. They're only 5 weeks.
Now Larry June is gonna be a game changer.
For the boys, we some white people here.
Don't destroy the bed.
Selena, a little spicy one.
Yeah.
It's spicy quesadilla.
Gunna Jr.
Hi, Gunna Jr. I think you're enough, pa. You want to fight? We're bringing you a fighter. Hi, Papa. Alright, let me clean you and then I'll play with you right now. Let's see, baby.
The myth, the legend, Gunna Jr.
This boy is crazy, bro. This boy is crazy. Like,
She's crazy too, look at it.
Yeah, that spice, no? Yeah, Ice Spice is nice. Nice. Look at that thing. No tail on her. Nice little color on her.
Gunna Jr., don't destroy my wife.
It's Gunna Jr. and Drake going at it right now. Let's see. Excuse me, can I have one? Thank you. Sorry, Buddha. Taking care of puppies right now. This boy's face. Tiger? Tiger? Oh, hey. Hey, troublemakers. We need you to back up. Back up, son. I'm not going to warn you again. Hey, chill out, bro. Chill out. Come on, look at this. Look at they got Megan over here.
No, that's Cardi.
Cardi B, yeah, Cardi B.
That's where you can see the tomorrow. Look at her.
Yeah, oh, Larry June still upset that he got a full face of Merle, but he got a full set of Merle. Larry June still upset about that. It's okay, Larry June. We still love you like that, Larry June. You're still. Dude! Yo, Selena! Spicy quesadilla, bro. I'm telling you.
Look at Megan. Look at Megan.
Megan. Oh! Hey, bro, chill out. Leave your brother alone. Hey, oh my goodness. Oh.
You got your Tiger.
It's okay, Tiger. We all make mistakes. We all lose, bro. It's okay.
Okay, guys. Also, remember next week, it's 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
So they go get shots.
First set of shots.
So they get 6 weeks. And
8 weeks.
8 weeks.
12 weeks. 14 weeks. So we go 6, 8, 12, 14, and then they do it at the year. Hey. Yo, leave my Cardi B alone.
Look at Megan help Cardi.
Don't care how cute you are, Gunna. You don't do that to your sister, bro.
Guys, someone help us.
Don't give me puppy eyes right now. Don't give me puppy eyes right now. Don't give me puppy eyes. All right, guys. Hey, you guys are just biting on my Drake. Ah, Megan. Megan's a feisty one too.
Yeah.
Hey, look at going. Oh, Selena versus Megan. Got a full whole hand in there. Once again, guys, these puppies are available from all 4 girls to all 4 boys. It's only $500 to hold your spot. They'll be ready
July 21st.
on a Friday. Full set of shots. You can hit our information, which I put it right here.
Information.SB.
Cell phone 702-884.
9600.
And just hit us up. For now, we're gonna just be playing with these puppies. And let me show them Buddha real quick. So you can see how Italian he is. I forgot to show you guys too. I'm gonna roll a clip back of Buddha getting all washed up. I want to show you guys a shirt real quick.
Come on. You guys want to do a full service? It's 45. So about the t-shirting, the your cleaning cheat nails, and I'm going to remember that. Okay? Come on, boys. Come on.
He don't bite.
Yeah. Hi, you baby. Hi. You good boy?
Look at my boy. And a little vacay shirt. Buddha's ready for the Bahamas, bro. Bro, you changed, bro. Go get your nails done now. You celebrity now, huh? You celebrity now? Don't forget, guys, if you guys want to use Buddha, it's available. We also got Fat Boy. Put a picture of him right here. $250 to lock you in. $1,500 when your female is ready. Hit us up. This boy's changing cams and Fat Boy's changing cams.
Okay, guys, remember the puppies are available July 21st on a Friday. So don't sleep on this, guys. It's only at $500 of a deposit to drop them off.
Reservation.
So, yeah.
That goes to your like, amount. $500 to reserve your puppy. Hit us up. They'll be ready July 21st. For now, we're gonna close it up. I'm Jay.
Carlos.
I'm DJ.
Favorite YouTube readers.
Peace.